guys, and welcome to the first video of me channel. I am Chaz McGillicuddy. If you're excited for this video, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, so right now I'm not sitting on my chair because my cat is laying on it. Why did I say that? Anyway, we're just gonna be playing some games from Fall Guys. Okay, guys, I don't think you've seen my skin yet, so I'm gonna show you my skin. Is this supposed to be mankind? Wait, it's supposed to be like a wrestling thing. Okay, let's show you that. Masked Bean, Macho Man, which I think is supposed to, it kind of looks like, yeah, Randy Savage right there. I knew it was going to be there. I don't really remember that person. But yeah, Mankind, I was right. This person, we got Undertaker, this person, Xavier Woods, I remember him, and then some stuff from there. Anyway, so yeah, guys, this is my skin, and we're just gonna be playing the main show. Where is the main show? I think it's here. Okay, so we're just gonna go into the main show. I'll record maybe like 15 minutes. I love Fall Guys music. It's so much fun. So we're doing the whirly gig. I hate this one, but it's also such like. There used to be a hack for. Okay, I can't really play that around. That's the thing. I'm not even playing around with that. So I'll just do that show. There was a little area to like hack past. Okay. Are you ready, guys? Let's go. So many, ow. Okay. I've been playing Fall Guys for years. But now it's like fun. The one coming up here is not this one. It's the one coming up. That used to be like okay then. I mean, at least I'm not dead right now. I think I'm gonna qualify, guys. I'm not. Yeah, this is down. Yes, I just made it. Yeah. Just gonna let you know, guys, I'm a person has like the little what is it called? Hello Kitty stuff. Wait, is there any lobby? Is there any yeah, this guy right here. guys. Wait, you know what's actually crazy? I was playing on my PC, so I didn't even buy my PlayStation on my PC. I bought it on my Xbox and then added it to my computer account. It's weird, but I did it. Jump Club. I'm probably just gonna do one like solo show. That's it. So, Jump Club. Oh, I hate this one. Okay, I'm right there. Let's see if I can, yeah. Okay. This is my plan, is to just not go towards it. Just stay behind it. Wait, doesn't the floor fall? Yeah, the floor starts to like fall out. It starts to like go or was that a different one? Anyway, one of my favorite ones was the oh no! It was one of my favorite ones. It was called it's getting faster now, guys. Oh no! What? I qualified at the end. I felt like I was gonna die, guys. That was such a clutch moment. The most clutchest of moments ever. Oh my god. Next up is Gentle Gauntlet. Wait, this is a new one because it's made by the Fall Guys creative mode. I don't think anybody actually created it though, because it says Fall Guys team down there. Okay. Okay, there's only a couple people left. Okay, I stand corrected. No, there's a guy back there and his name's Scooby Snack. So, oh, this one's actually kind of fun. It's cute. You muted. Oh, what are these? Do they bounce you up? I don't know why these things are. Stop. Oh my god! That was so clutch too. How many rounds are there? 9 people that qualified there. I'm so lucky not to get disqualified. Oh, maybe. This is, I don't know, but it's Parkour Panic. Wait. I feel like I did this one before and it's like really, really bad. Like, not bad. It's a great map, but it's really hard, I think. I swear I did it before. It says waiting for players, yet they're not. Oh, okay, I haven't. But it looks like it's gonna be fun. Actually, yeah, I have did this one, and I qualified the first time. So, actually, wait, no, I did qualify. Not only was it hard, but like, do this. Scooby Snack. We saw him before Scooby Snack won 300 Tugs! That's so annoying. Yeah, the last one. There was that 4 rounds. Oh, we got instant. Well, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.